me hawking game, awful with the falconry. Find myself coughing in the fog of shame and apathy. Calculating grams, my heart palpitating rapidly. Step outside and spit my stomach acid off the balcony. Climb a spiral staircase to pour a glass of agua. An ordinary dog, flea-ridden, scratching hot spots. Heat spit like swallowed bottles of hot sauce. Leave kids with each limb hobbled and chopped off. Get raped and pillaged while you babysit the neighbor's children. I'll let them watch to see the awful things that's waiting for them. Meth brain and a sharp wit. Chest pains and a heart skip. The aim of a marksman lays out my target. Nothing left but a red stain on the carpet. Moon turned the tide into miles of carnage. Smile regardless, cause like Zendaya, I'm just a pile of garbage. Wild, heartless, violent, tarnished. Eyes wide, been a bear witness to the silent harvest. I try my hardest not to masturbate the passion plays. Remain a castaway and find a vein to lacerate. Terms of scatterbrain like assassinated presidents. You faggots need expanded frames of reference. It's evident. Blaze up a stogie, straight to my dome piece. The replacement for Kobe and H to the OV. Most valuable, plays for the home team. Put your words in my mouth and it tastes like baloney. The fake hype is phony. I cause y'all waste to flip. Raw dogs in to walk the gall-dawn distances. It's the rookies with the veteran status, entering homes just to look inside the medicine cabinets. A couple goofy bastards pedaling backwards, looking for a bitch to gag on cheddar and bratwurst. Body painted bullseyes, my lady ate her laxatives. A sadomasochist, I play the tramp, straight up championship. Baby face, came to drain the milk from the titty. To give me anything's like putting silk on a piggy. They gonna cross worthless junkie with circus monkey, sparking up an owl on the prowl for the perfect scully. Let the urine curdle in my squirmish tummy, watching Eddie Murphy in my PJs, shirt and undies. You ain't gonna get no light without the window pane. Probably good advice if you got shipper brains. Most my exes gave the best to their medicinal scripts, or wound up in a bathtub, slits in their wrists on some ignorant shit. Never zipping his lips. If the whiskey dick lip, I'll put my fist in a bitch. I'm Pooh Bear, you the honey pot. I go all in, snowballing. Let me come swap the money shot. Act shouting, hurry up and pop with your bumper clock. So I busted, pull my bloody cock out this youngin' swat. Thought it was something good, but it's not. Prayers under rocks, P-squares run the block.
These phony rappers need to wait a minute, or eat an apple with a razor in it, cause I ain't gon' stand for no more plagiarism. We're old school, watching Happy Days on Betavision, blasted from the vapors and relaxing with a case of Guinness. I like to puff the magic dragon till my brain is lifted galaxies away from all reality and famed afflictions. So naturally I made a living actively creating rhythm. Can't you see how rapidly I raise the limit? To save the children, you don't need to practice pediatrics. Just string your rackets up and swing them at the weaker rappers. Rub a genie lamp and wish for cheaper taxes, while I take a trip to Wonderland and sleep with Alice on a Sealy mattress. Illegal habits in my mind to another place. I'm high on a couple things and I ain't never gonna change. Every day straight madness, no joy. All work and no play makes act a dull boy. But I'm the devil and I'm here to do the devil's work. A disheveled jerk but still a maverick like the Jet and Dirk. Never shirk a chance to fire up the purple grass. Ack'll burn your ass like he spiked the punch with turbo lax. I drop it like it's hotter than wasabi in a toaster oven. Out of sight marauder getting naughty with the post-production. Going nuts, I roll the Dutch around a Mary Jane. Purple berry strain in my lungs, so now I'm cool. The rap catapult, cats get smacked in the mandible. Leave them with a fractured clavicle, damaged collateral. Travel to planets so fast, make Santa go damn.
That's incredible.
Palmer Square's two hippies in a trolley car, wishing they could cop a golden ticket out to Wonka Bar. How bizarre, for the listener you find a death threat at your door like Whitney in The Bodyguard. Who gon' play the Costner part? Need to hold a casting call, dismantle all so-called talent with the rapper claw. I'm dog shit personified, nasty as hell. Better pass me the Ella, you can all get lobotomized. Defined as erratic, unlawful, and manic. I've been caught on acid, lopping heads off with a hatchet, straight from the source. Ain't no regulations enforced, so I can't stay on my course. Translated, I'm lost. I reminisce over things that never happened. Wait, Wait, let me take that statement and retract it. Don't wanna sound insane like I'm crazier than batshit, but it's true. When I see a vertebrae, I gotta snap it. We fit the cold lamping Caucasian demographic that'll cater to the masses, to the laying in a casket. A paper thin attraction to my old life. Hate to stay attached to it, cause now my only passion is to hold mics. Your man's got them flows that the fans wanna quote. Terminac, grandiose, kicking jams for the folks. Cause I propose your invalid approach is a sham or a hoax or a practical joke. You can tally the votes, ecumenal by a landslide. Got the whole world asking when I'm gonna pass by. But you can't hide from TK and Axe, so just keep them hands high until we fade to black. Keep them up,
motherfucker. It's like 104 bars from these future stars called the Palmer Squares. Suck a dick.
That too.
And suck a dick and stuff. What? It's like
Gotta run.